So V-Rage, your dog poops and pees.
Shit. She takes shits everywhere. It's worse than my dog Pluto. Pluto's been super trained for a long time, but
You're gonna get
this
a
one...
suit, V.
What?
Nah, I'm kidding. We're not popular enough to get sued.
I didn't mean to.
Why
No.
are you British?
No. What are you, stupid?
Yes.
Yeah.
From America.
No, I'm
True.
from Canada.
Which
But
is kind of like,
I am very stupid.
yeah. Canada's
No, but-
like the French America.
I thought he was gonna die. Never mind. Yeah,
That
I
would've
don't know.
I like
been
how
hilarious.
his first reaction was, Ken.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I was
Ken's
kind of
name.
confused there.
Because so I don't know. Like any advice there, Ken? I know you've been a pet owner for a lot.
Honestly, I haven't had a dog in so
Yeah,
many years.
Cats.
Like,
Cats
just-
don't do that shit. He in the litter box.
yeah, like honestly, our cats are really good about that. And like, the one that doesn't use the litter box, it's because he goes outside.
Didn't you
And
have
his
a
name is Ninja.
And his name is Ninja.
Didn't you have a dog as a little kid?
Yeah, I've had dogs, but like I haven't had to train a dog in like a decade, bro.
Never had
Bro.
dogs, bitch. Like he wanted
Yeah,
to
like-
make you feel like you the only one.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm brown. Brown people barely have pets. I'm a rarity.
Is that true?
Yeah, Indians really don't have pets.
Oh, well, that's
That's
interesting.
that's not true. You're not a rarity. You don't have a pet. Your Beyonce does.
Okay,
Your Beyonce.
my Beyonce. Is that what a bougie fiance is? A Beyonce?
I don't know what that first word you used was.
You never heard of the word bougie? Bougie?
No.
No.
It's like booger, but
Mm, okay.
more rich because you know how much V-Rage makes a lot of money, so yes.
It's a moist booger. Okay.
Yeah, gotcha. Is this a golf course?
Yes. Bougie is actually French candle.
What's
Oh.
candle?
You know,
Well,
it's
a
like the
candle
thing
is
that
little-
says
Dude, I thought you said
fire.
Kendall. Like I thought you said Kendall like Kendall Jenner. I'm like, what?
That's just what I call a Ken on a daily basis.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. True. Also, this galaxy gives me like Super Monkey Ball vibes. If I'm being honest. I don't know. I think it's just like the green platform. Because I remember like for the GameCube, this Super Monkey Ball there like had a lot of green platforms, and it was like pretty dope.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting.
I hate the camera in this game. I'll say that.
I don't think you do, man. I think you
I
really.
feel like I'm in the minority in that. Oh, look at that. Glasses. I didn't know they had optometrists.
I didn't know they had eyes in the Mushroom Kingdom.
What the fuck? I'm shocked. I literally saw the little star thing straight across the stream. I peed.
A little bit. Not a whole lot, though. Did we lose V again?
No, I'm not in the life. Your age?
What's up?
Okay.
Come here. I was giggling at this game.
Well, I like to see. No, you're sitting there in your bougie office, in your bougie apartment. You're
In the
your
living
bougie
room.
dog.
Look, man. I may be white, but I'm also Indian.
I got this. The one. This is the one.
This is the run. This is the run.
Look at that. Look at that. This is the run.
Oh, he did it. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Look at this man.
If
Like
only
he knows
NASA
what
knew.
he's doing.
If only NASA knew, like, you know, you can get rid of a black hole by just getting a bunch of music notes.
Wouldn't that be
What if
funny?
you missed that?
Yeah, I was gonna say, wouldn't that be funny if you missed and then just went through the other side?
I really
Well, this is the
appreciate
one.
how much you believe in me, Ken.
I believe in you, but I also like things that are funny.
It's like, I believe in you. I believe that you have the potential to fuck that up completely.
Oh shit! Oh, we've discovered a new galaxy or something.
The
I
kitchen
don't know.
galaxy. I like kitchens.
Yeah.
You already were.
Oh. Yeah. But there was a severe lack of food, which I'm a little upset about. If we being real.
What kind of personal should we talk about this episode?
So wait, I don't remember. Alex, you played the Oracle of Ages or Seasons before, right?
Oh wait.
That's not very close.
Yeah, it's very personal to me.
No, I never played.
Hmm. V, have you played them?
What's it called?
The Legend of Zelda, Oracle of Ages, or Oracle of Seasons?
I've only played Breath of the Wild. I did the Zelda series.
Oh, that's right. We have had that conversation
And
before.
he literally has not played Breath of the Wild.
Yeah, have you really played it?
He didn't beat it.
I poorly speed.
That's okay. To be honest, I think it was Twilight Princess was the first one I actually beat, and then I went back and beat Oracle of Seasons.
Have any of you actually played the original one?
Yes.
Yeah, it's bad.
The only good version of it is the Switch Online version that you go the weapon.
Yeah, I don't think it's good. Like, I'm gonna be honest. Like, yeah, for the time maybe, but I don't think it's like. It definitely doesn't hold up. Like, at least Oracle of Ages, Oracle of Seasons, they both hold up. Majora's Mask holds up.
Well, Majora's Mask is gonna be on Switch Online soon.
I know, I saw that.
Also, we
Gotta pay extra.
We gotta re-up.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about that because
Well,
I
it's
gotta get you some cash money.
today, but I don't have any cash money, so Thursday.
Okay, so it'll be Thursday. Alright.
We're not gonna have Switch Online for a few days.
No, no.
Dude, I gotta stream. You can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You better send him that Venmo, as you kids say these days.
I don't even know what streaming means.
I thought you were about to say you don't even know what Venmo is, and I only that's partially correct.
Well, you know what? We don't even have Venmo in Canada. We don't have Venmo, we don't have Cash App. We don't have any of those fucking stupid shits. We have e-transfer,
PayPal.
man.
PayPal.
What the fuck's an e-transfer?
When you send money from
Yeah.
directal, if you're just
Directile dysfunction.
I was about to say, like, what?
Yeah. That's when you can't send money directly and you have to send it indirectly.
And you gotta take some medicine.
No, they don't make medicine for
Ow.
But yeah, let me know how much I owe.
that. Yeah.
25.
$1 million.
$1 million.
Yeah, are we doing the 2-year plan or the 1 year? Yeah, okay, that's good.
Hey, old board. All right, I'm out.
You know why we do the 1 year? Because someone's gonna leave the friend group.
Yeah, we never know where we'll be a year from now.
Guys,
I
that's
mean-
news.
I mean, to some extent, it doesn't really matter. But
I'm moving to Canada.
moving to Canada,
Wait, where?
Quebec.
didn't you just move?
Toronto.
This man just moved. He's like, I'm moving again.
This
I'll
man,
go to
this
Toronto.
man literally said Toronto in a video where, how dare you?
From Toronto. Isn't Mario Canadian?
No, he's Italian.
Who said he's Italian? He sounded nothing like an Italian.
I'm from New York City.
Yeah, which is,
Bubble.
you know, kind of Italian. Yo, we should watch the old Mario movie, by the way. I'm assuming V probably hasn't seen it.
I mean the one that multiple actors say is the worst ever done.
Like the original cartoon.
They
one.
had like a top tier cast, and that was somehow one of the worst movies. I loved it.
Is it live action?
Yeah, and it's terrible. But like as a kid, I really liked it, and it wasn't until other people like kind of mentioned it was bad that I started to notice why it was bad.
So what you're saying, Ken, is that you base all your opinions off.
Yeah, I base all my opinions off of what YouTubers say.
Well, I fucked that up.
It was such a bad movie, though. It was hilarious.
Wait, I have to restart from the beginning. This is fucking garbage.
It's called Toxic Sludge.
How much of this game do we actually talk about while we're watching it playing?
Is this like a video game cast or something?
Yeah, we're just bullshitting over video game content. Oh, so wait, did I see something about a Splatoon 3? Yeah.
Also, there's Bayonetta 3 Kaiju Fighting Simulator.
Yeah, which actually looks pretty dope.
Not gonna buy it because county.
Dude, the Bayonetta series is great.
Ken, I said good games.
Yeah, I know. I know what you said.
The bubble. Pop the bubble.
I don't think you. Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Top tier commentary.
I know,
By-
I know, yeah.
Look, I started speaking and then my brain shut off. And where are you going?
All right. So am I really close to my mic now?
Yeah, you're like hella close
I
to
mean,
my
we can't see
Is
you.
it-
Let's assume that you are.
How
It
crispy
sounds
is it?
like it. It's like.
Oh, I didn't
I
know
don't-
you could just press and hold. I was like tapping.
Tapping it the entire
Why-
time.
Did Mirror sound like he was laughing, like getting away from his mic?
Yeah.
Like, where does last thing? Where does last thing at? Where does last thing at?
literally right
Literally
there.
Where does
Now you
last
just
thing
gotta-
at?
Now you just gotta make it back. It says press A or tap. To be fair, those directions are kind of like wonky, if I'm being honest.
Hang on.
Not
Oh,
not
no.
that honest.
Oh, you said if I'm being.
Yeah, if I'm being honest. So you get to figure out if I'm being honest or not.
Too much work.
I know, he needs all those star bits to feed that fat Luma.
Oh, those star bits. Oh yeah.
Okay, you need to back the fuck away from your mic. Also,
Kill himself.
I think you have to start that over again. No. Okay, there you go.
Trying to do I don't know how to do the glitch. What is the glitch where you can climb on that wall and just.
I don't. I think you're trying to do it. You have to use Luigi probably and do a triple back jump.
Yeah.
Long jump.
Yeah, I
You
think it's-
can. I think Luigi has higher vertical. I think Mario jumps farther.
Well, I don't care if Luigi has vertical.
Vertigo.
I remember YouTube. Hello, hello, hello.
Everyone got like a free album.
Everything's so vertigo. Oh my god. Everything I was looking. Yeah.
You didn't even get all the star bits. My OCD's kicking in. Oh my god.
Give me something I can feel.
Do you hug your family with those fingers? Oh my god.
What?
Go
Fingers? Yeah, fucking social distancing, bro.
You don't believe in hugs? The fuck?
Not when there's a pandemic.
Come on, we're American.
Not
What's
when
social
there's a
distancing,
fucking
man?
panda meeting.
Yeah, a panda meeting.
Social distancing is not in our vocabulary.
Yeah, I've noticed. That's why we still haven't left phase 1.
Wait, so how's everything in your area? Does no one like wear a mask or anything?
Oh man, there's so many people like throwing tantrums about wearing masks. Like we're worse off now than we were at the beginning of the pandemic. Like there are so many people who have COVID here.
Do you still wear it in like work and grocery stores or something?
What?
Do you still wear a mask when you go in public?
Yeah, I haven't stopped wearing a mask because I don't trust other people.
Nice.
I legitimately thought he said like wear a mask when you
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, I don't work in a grocery store, right?
No, I mean like when you work or like when you work, like I'm sure you see customers there.
Well, when I work, it's mandated by the state. Like, state says I have to have a mask when I'm at work.
Yeah.
So,
People here like it's like 30
you guys live in the
to
same
20%
state.
wear. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least, I would say like 20 to 30% people wear masks and the rest don't. Pretty much.
Yeah. The difference is because of like my job is technically this like it's a state thing, so like they have say
Liquor.
over. Yeah, because Pennsylvania has like state-run liquor stores. They don't have privatized liquor.
Prohibition.
Mm-hmm.
I like ammunition. What?
I don't wear a mask at work because no, I don't. My boss doesn't. Yeah, but if we go into someone's house and like they want us to wear a mask, then we wear a mask out of politeness.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone but one of us is double vaxxed.
True.
Yeah, people like that work together typically haven't. Or if the other person. It's just that like when you're in like large crowds of like random people, like grocery store.
I just wear a mask when I leave the house because
Pretty much.
it's like a minor inconvenience at best, and people who complain about it.
Oh, I can't breathe with a mask on.
I can't breathe. Yeah, anytime somebody tells me that too, because we do see a lot of that in this area, I'm just like, you can't breathe with COVID either. So,
Because you're dead.
like,
my favorite is when people are saying that as there's.
yeah.
Dude, you say that you can't breathe with the mask on, but you're fucking smoking a cigarette like it's fucking pizza.
Oh, Halloween Goombas. I don't know what that was all about.
So, yeah, I try to wear it unless I'm like out for a walk and like it's not crowded or I stay away from people pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
So, like if I step outside to like get mail or throw the trash out, I don't because most of the time I'm
Yeah.
But
I mean, like, if I'm gonna go somewhere, yeah, put the mask on.
but if there's like any indoor place, mask.
Mm-hmm.
Going to Chicago, just have my mask on pretty much the entire time. So,
Yeah.
I wear my mask while driving.
Unless I'm like lazy and I need to quickly get out or somewhere.
Yeah, I usually put it on when I get in the car just because I'm gonna need it when I get out, and this way I don't have to put it on later.
It doesn't hurt. It's either it only helps you and others.
I'm just lazy, so I don't want to worry about it later. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Exactly.
I'm not lazy. Can't breathe.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
No, I bought a mask that has like I don't want to fucking have to deal with my own breath. Also, once this whole pandemic, I could use that mask and
Mm-hmm. Well,
Just punch that
oh,
shit.
have
am I
you
supposed to
tried?
lure? So yeah, I'm supposed to lure this guy into the lighting, and then he'll give me the key for the door, and I'm like, boom, jam, got it. That's a gigantic key.
That key is much larger than I thought it was.
Yeah, it didn't look that big inside his body, but it is.
It is.
Give me my brother. Oh, hello.
You're rhyming.
I think that thing's coming back to you, buddy.
Boom. Got it.
I keep saying car, bro.
Car.
Bro.
Well, we're playing street hockey.
Carl. Did you just say?
This man just ran right into that Goomba.
Picking up speed, running out of time.
Going over.
See, that was optimal because that gave you a speed boost so you could get to where you needed to go. I mean, Damage boosting. Yeah.
Holy shit. What are you guys doing, damage boosting?
Real gamer hours.
Yeah, because speed running and stuff is like super like obscure. So
Oh,
it'd be
speaking of which, in one of the games on Wix, they did a speedrun of what raid? Crypt of the Tomb or whatever. I wanted to watch it. But watch the mod.
Crypt of the Tomb. What?
What's it called? You know,
No, I don't.
No.
the Crypt Tomb Raider.
Evidenced by the
The
fact
raid.
that we said Crypt of the Tomb, we
The
don't
raid,
fucking know what
man.
you're talking about.
The D2 raid.
Oh, Deep Stone Crypt.
Yeah, that one. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Yeah. See, I would know that if you'd said it correctly. Alex had no way of knowing that.
I thought between Crypt and D2 would have been enough context for a god, like
I am Fat Ghost.
you're not fat, you're just fluffy.
I am fat. I would go scare my blood. From he's in Philadelphia right now. A sunny day. Oh,
Oh no.
a ghost.
Oh.
Eek.
It's funny. This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Hey, you get your fuck off, you land. Turn me back into my doctor. My Mario phone. I'm gonna go get my brother, dumbass blood.
I think
You have 3 games in haunted houses, and you're still in a haunted house.
I feel like by the
Bro.
next game you'll be done by the next session. You'll be in this game.
I don't remember how long this game is.
3 fucking games, and you still get lost in the house. Yeah. I'm
Dude.
here too. I love that Luigi's like, yeah, I'm in the bag. I belong. I can't wait to hear fucking Keegan Michael Toad.
That shit's gonna be pretty hilarious.
I can see your brother from here. He looking dumb. Here's what to tell you. I don't want the embarrassment of the family.
How is he the embarrassment of the family?
Because he's Luigi. Luigi the fucking sucks. Did we lose the rage again?
No, he just cleared his throat.
Alright. Bro, you're looking for power stars, right? Let me help. Think you may have missed one good at Galaxy. I find it, I'll light your lead to keep you as you feel for no. I wanna! I don't fucking wanna! You didn't get shit! You didn't get fucking shit, Luigi! You suck! Fucking... What? Leader, Squeeze! Alright. I think that's a wrap for...
Yep. Wrap for this app. For this app.
I'm gonna go feed this fucker.
Yeah, feed this fat Luna.
One of my coworkers doesn't stop talking to me about playing Fortnite with this kid. Which is like, I'm trying to like politely tell him that I don't care, but at the same time, like I'm still like part of the conversation.
Yeah. I get that. I mean, at least he got something he can do with this kid, I guess.
He was telling me like he doesn't like playing Fortnite like with the mic on because of fucking like 9-year-old randos.
That's
dying
fair.
of laughter.
That's fair.
Penis.
All right.